The objective, as published, was to explore the five behaviors model. So what I'm going to do for you today is make you familiar or allow you to be familiar with the five behaviors model, and then talk about that in the context of teams that are AI enabled. So the lean is on people, not AI, right?
Mm-hmm.
I
Mm-hmm.
think you'll see a lot of performance improvement sessions and papers during the conference that will be leaning into the AI as as a technology or a methodology or a change. I'm really just focused on people as people that have to work together. And that's what we're going to dig into today. The five behaviors model, when I dig into it, it's going to talk on trust, conflict, commitment, accountability, and results in a very specific progression. So that will hopefully meet 50 to 60% of the things you wanted to get out of the workshop from what I've heard already.